Are you sitting right now? Shoulders slouched, neck leaning forward? That poor posture might be the reason behind your daily fatigue, headaches, and even poor digestion. Let's fix that, naturally. I'm Candy McGreeka, and today we're diving into 7 proven ways to fix poor posture without spending a single dollar. 1. Wall test. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Your head, shoulders, and butt should all touch it. If it's hard, your posture needs work. This test is your starting point. 2. Chin tucks. This simple move strengthens your neck and aligns your spine. Tuck your chin slightly and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Great for anyone working on a screen all day. 3. Shoulder blade squeeze. Sit or stand tall. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and hold for 10 seconds. This counteracts hours of hunching. 4. Fix your sitting posture. Use a chair that supports your lower back, feet flat, knees at 90 degrees. Even better, stand and stretch every 30 minutes. 5. Stretch your hip flexors. Tight hips pull your spine forward. Daily lunges or pigeon pose can release tension and improve balance. 6. Strengthen your core. Strong ABS equals supported spine. Try planks, dead bugs, or leg raises. It's not about six-packs, it's about spinal protection. 7. Posture reminders. Stick notes on your screen or use reminder apps. It's about retraining your brain. Posture is a habit. And remember, good posture impacts your digestion too. Speaking of gut health, my book, Top 3-Day Gut Cleanse, can kickstart your internal transformation. Check it out here. Amazon. Pair posture improvements with daily movement, as I explain in my second book, Wellness That Moves You. Start your full-body wellness journey here. Amazon. Try these tips for 7 days and feel the difference in your spine, energy, and confidence. Like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips.